Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another intense Beyblade Burst battle. It's a battle between Turbo 4 members, Xavier Bogard and Breaker Xcalius 1-Sword Slingshot, up against Laban and Vise Leopard 12 Lift Destroy Slingshot. Up to 6 points, and halfway through the battle, they will both bays will enter their slingshot modes, so they can ride the rails for more intense action. Let's get this battle started. Round 1. Oh! Nice hits from both bays. Oh! And Breaker Xcalius gets the first finish, so it gets 2 points. Round 2. Vise Leopard and Xcalius. Xcalius went off the rails for a second. Oh! He's getting some good hits, but Leopard takes the battle to survivor finish. Round 3. The score is 2-1. Oh! Leopard gets the burst finish this time. Alright, the score is 3-2, and both bays are now in their slingshot modes. Xcalius and Leopard. Oh! Oh! Vise Leopard gets another good hit on Breaker Xcalius and gets another point with a survivor finish. Xcalius and Leopard. Oh! Xcalius is stuck in the speed cradle. Just stuck in the rails, unfortunately, in the speed cradle. And it once again goes down with stamina. Vise Leopard gets another point, and just needs one more to win. This could be the final round. Vise Leopard. Breaker Xcalius. Oh! And Leopard goes down. Breaker Xcalius gets 1 point. Now it has 3. Alright. Xcalius and Leopard. Oh! Big hits. Oh, Leopard went back into its battering mode, actually. Xcalius is trying to break through, but it wasn't enough. With a total of 6 points, your winner is Laban's Vise Leopard. It just had more endurance throughout the entire battle. So hope y'all enjoyed this battle. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all next time for more intense Beyblade Burst battles.